Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. You need to begin by opening Gallery app. Following that, select Next at the bottom right corner. Click on OK and hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to pick multiple ones right away, select this square at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully selected. In order to delete them, tap on Delete at the bottom next to Create and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!